Okay, so how to count male and female using Excel. So first, tayo dito sa baba. So there are 174 sample. So click natin equal sign dito. Equal sign, type count if. So ito count if. So count if, double click lang natin ito. Then we need to highlight from the top para ma-count niya yung how many male in this data. So starting from the 1 until 174. So okay. Then put the comma, space, quotation mark, type male, quotation mark, then close parenthesis, then enter. Okay, there are 72 male, and same process with the female. Equal sign, count, type count if, double click natin itong count if, then ito sa taas, highlight lang natin, tapos baba, then comma, space, quotation mark, type female, quotation mark, close parenthesis. Okay, then enter. Okay, so yung data natin, so kung titingnan natin is 72 plus 102, that is 174. So total lang natin yan is auto sum. So there are 174 in total. So meaning yung data natin coming from the male and female is correct lang siya. Kasi 174 yung male, yung data natin. Okay, so there are 72 male and 102 female. So mas marami yung female compared to the male. And I hope may natutunan kayo, and yun lang. God bless.